Our Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, heads-up display, sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.